Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel Marilet's World. On this video, I'll be preparing and cooking Thanksgiving dinner. The ingredients on this dinner came from a free Thanksgiving offer made by Ibotta and Walmart. So I got the ingredients yesterday and I also got a rebate. And today, it's time to prepare the Thanksgiving feast. Here are the Thanksgiving feasts from Ibotta and Walmart. I think I'm gonna start with the butterball because that may take the longest time to prepare. Not sure yet what I'm gonna do with the green beans, but I probably look it up at Google. Here we go. Preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Unwrap the butterball, remove the plastic bag except the netting inside. This is a turkey breast roast, boneless, savory herb. I'm gonna separate the gravy from the turkey, so I put it in a ziploc bag and put it under running water. Here's the gravy. So I don't have a roasting rack. I just put together this rack, pan, so the drippings will go through and the tray will catch them. I'm going to coat the turkey with olive oil to prevent them from drying in the oven. So I'm gonna leave this in the oven without cover for 4 hours or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. For our skillet green bean casserole recipe, vegetable oil, 1/4 cup milk, condensed cream of mushroom soup, 2 cans of cut green beans, 1/3 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, French's crispy fried onions, and 1/3 cup of haphazardly chopped onions. We're going to saute the onion in a hot pan with oil for 2 to 3 minutes. We're going to add the 2 cans of drained green beans. Stir this until the beans are hot enough. And then we're going to add the mushroom soup and milk. Now we're going to add the shredded cheddar cheese. We're going to top these with crispy fried onions when they are ready to serve. Next up, stuffing mix. In a saucepan, we're going to heat 1.5 cup of water and half a stick of butter. We need to melt the butter completely. Now we're going to stir in the contents of the stuffing mix. Remove from heat, cover and let it sit for 5 minutes. We're going to fluff them out when they are ready to serve. Next, loaded baked mashed potatoes. Add 4 cups of water to a saucepan and heat water on high to a boil. Now we're going to turn off the heat and immediately mix in the entire pouch of potatoes. We're going to mix it thoroughly using a fork to moisten all potatoes, and we're going to let it stand for 1 minute. I'm going to pair this turkey gravy with the mashed potatoes. Bring 2 1/4 cups water into a full rolling boil. Blend the turkey gravy mix with a 3/4 cup cool water. We're going to mix this until it is lump-free. We need to pour the gravy mix blend into the boiling water and stir vigorously until thickened. This is our gravy for the mashed potato. I'm gonna baste the turkey a few times to keep it from drying out. I'm just using olive oil. Now I'm going to prepare the butterball turkey gravy that came with the turkey breast. We just pour it into a pan. We're going to add 1.5 cup water, and we're going to bring this to a boil. Once it is boiling, we're going to reduce the heat down to medium and let it simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. So here's the gravy that came with the butterball turkey. It is not as thick as the packet turkey gravy. Maybe it will thicken some more once it cools down. This is the flavored stuffing. I'm making a bed for the turkey breast in the middle. Moment of truth. It's clean. Let the turkey breast sit for 10 to 15 minutes and I will remove the netting. Now here we are. I'm going to try to remove the netting from the turkey. I washed my hands before I did this. Almost there. Here's our mashed potato and gravy, skillet, green bean casserole with the fried crispy onions on top. Here's our turkey on the bed of the flavored stuffing. And this is the gravy that came with the butterball turkey. Cranberry sauce from the can, or in this case, cranberry jelly. Our Thanksgiving spread, free from Ibotta and Walmart. We're going to have an early Thanksgiving dinner. It was a success. I prepped and cooked everything in 6 hours. This Thanksgiving feast costs about $20 and can be enjoyed by a family of 4. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, Marilet's World, and check out my playlist for uploads on couponing, DIY, restoration, and other food-related videos. Happy Thanksgiving! Gobble gobble!